This is the 5 tech things you should know about for this week. We're asking the question, do you have Angry Birds fever and is it driving you crazy? Good evening, everybody. Jeffrey Powers here for the 5 tech things you should know about. For all you weekend warriors in tech that don't want too much information overload, let's get right into your Angry Birds edition of the 5 tech things you should know about. Happy birthday to OS X. I can't actually sing the happy birthday song because then I'd get ASCAP and BMI fees. And these apparently singing the happy birthday song on a recording is pretty expensive. So happy birthday to OS X. Yeah, Apple on March 24th of 2001, Apple released OS X Desktop Edition. Now the server edition came out a little bit earlier. The OS X Desktop Edition was a remake of Steve Jobs' Next Step OpenStep software from the Next Step from Next, which Steve Jobs created in 1985 when he left Apple because they didn't want him there anyway. And then he came back and he said, just use all my stuff and we'll make a great Apple. And they did. And they made Apple OS X. Since then, we've had many different flavors. We're now on 10.6.7, which just came out a couple days ago. 10 years of Mac OS X. I've been asking the question on the web, how has Mac OS X changed your life? What have you done better or whatever? Have you made more pictures? Have you made more videos? Have you made more podcasts? Has it made you a millionaire to use OS X? Let me know over at Geekazine or email me at geekazine@gmail.com. In the meantime, happy birthday to Mac OS X, 10 years today. Windows has announced that they're out of the beta and now they're Intune. Well, what is Intune? Basically, it's for all you companies out there that don't have IT departments, can't afford IT departments, so you get into Intune, which is a simple program that you put onto your computers, then they become self-sufficient. Windows or Microsoft finds ways that they can get in and they can update your computer, and they use the cloud to fix the computer, do antivirus checks and stuff like that. It doesn't totally replace an IT person. You should always have an IT person in your local city on call just in case there is a major problem that an internet connection cannot fix, especially if an internet connection is down. However, if you're looking to save yourself some cash, this might be a good option. Right now at $11 per PC, if you've only got 3 or 4 machines and not really sure how to run it, and they're all running Windows 7, then this might be a good option for you. It doesn't replace a lot of different things. You should always back up your data off the computer just in case there's a hard drive crash. You should always be aware of what you're putting on your computer and how you're using your computer. And of course, if there's any problems, you gotta really let them know. Like for instance, if it upgrades a browser or something like that and your bank software doesn't work with the new browser just yet, it does happen. And you just gotta let them know in there. But Windows will become a self-sufficient IT in a box for all those simple needs, all those simple help desk needs and update needs, and that's pretty cool. So check it out. If you're small, medium business, you might want to check out Windows Intune. Of course, there's a lot of other great services out there. It's just that Windows just came out of beta this last day. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you swung on a swing too far and you actually did a 360 on the swing set? You know, it was always a fear as a kid, but BBC's One Bang Goes the Theory decides to test the theory out. This is pretty cool. What they do is they set up a guy with the rocket pack on, and basically what he's doing is he's going to do a full 360 on there, and of course there's going to be a net that's going to catch him. A lot of work into this and pretty cool. Check out the video. You're seeing part of it right now. But this is what happens when you go 360 on your swing set. Don't try this at home, by the way.
I'm so happy.
And now the new section on the 5 tech things that you should know about. The top 5 things I learned this week. Do you need an iPad 2 but your wife won't let you get one? Well, just buy one, then bring it back saying, hey, the wife said no. See what happens. Heck, if you don't even have a wife, see what happens. Number 4, the last tweet of Elizabeth Taylor. My interview in Bazaar with Kim Kardashian came out, with a link to the article. Number 3, happy birthday to William Shatner, who turned 80 years old today or yesterday. Number 2, new application that does turn-by-turn directions in stores and stadiums. Pretty cool. Word of warning though, men cannot blame the application when they walk into the women's restroom. No, no, no. And the number 1 thing that I learned this week, do you need to erase those embarrassing tweets and Facebook posts when you're drunk the night before and posting them up? Well, never fret, there's an app for that. It's only £119, but the bigger question you should really be asking yourself is, how the heck did I get to England? Those are the 5 things that I learned this week. AOL, I knew ya. I wish I had a horn again. This is what's happening. AOL is doing some more nixing of different websites and stuff like that. Ever since they bought the Huffington Post, they're just kind of cleaning house left and right. Here is the latest list of AOL sites. Aisle Dash, AOL News, AOL Radio Blog, AOL Small Business, Autoblog Green, Big Download, Blogging Stocks, Do-It-Yourself Life, otherwise known as DIY Life, Gadling, Game Daily, Going, Holodash, HuffPost Travel, JSYK, Luxist, My AOL, Politics Daily, Royal Wedding, Slash Control, Slash Food, Streampad, Switched, That's Fit, The BVX, Tour Tracker, TV Squad, Your Lesk, URL, ESQUE, Wallet Pop, and Where's It At? We lay these to rest. Not all of these websites are going to be laid to rest. The employees are pretty much gone, but some of these are going to be still around and kind of merged into other areas, so you'll see a lot of changes on the website. But for now, we say goodbye to our dearly departed websites on the AOL network that are now gone. So, moment of silence for all of these. Of course, it's your life online. Back it up now, back it up often, back it up off-site. Use the code GEEK. That gets you 15% off that already low price. Rates starting at $5.99 a month for 50 gigs. You can't go wrong. Backing up your pictures, backing up your documents, backing up everything from fire, theft, flood, anything. And even a brand new computer. You bring the new computer in, you reload all those pictures and memories back into your computer. Memories back into your computer. So back up your memories now. Back up your memories a lot and back up your memories off-site. Use that code GEEK at Mozy.com and checkout. Get you 15% off. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have a special treat for you because I wrote a song for this last one on the 5 Tech Things. This is called the Angry Birds theme song. It goes like this. I got Angry Birds fever, and it's driving me crazy. Got Angry Birds fever, it's driving me crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I did knock that wall down. I remember playing Angry Birds the first time, and I thought to myself, hey, you know, this is way too addictive. I'm not going to play this game at all. And I was right. There were a lot of people that were very addicted to this game. And in fact, it became one of the top games, and now they got different versions. Android just came out with their new version of Android, and they gave you a free copy of Angry Birds. But let's take a look back on this, and let's take a look at why this application is so popular, why people like it. There's an article out there by Charles Maru, and they asked the question, why is this game so popular? Why do people like it? Well, 2 words for you in the article. Read the whole article, but I got 2 words for you right now. Simple complexity. You just basically pull back, aim, and shoot. You do that 5 times to knock down some walls and kill some pigs, or do whatever you do with the pigs, blow them up, or whatever, however it works. But it's about the simple complexity. You're doing something that's kind of complex, but you're doing it without any thought involved in it. And that's what makes this game so addictive, is the fact that you can just do it. You don't have to put thought into it, but there's times that you will start putting thought into it. Should I do the angle a little bit higher, a little bit lower? And you'll be playing with trajectories and stuff like that. So you're thinking, even though you're not thinking, wherever you're playing Angry Birds at. There are some other factors in gameplay, things that I've always noticed since things like the Power Rangers have been around. If you've ever watched the Power Rangers show, especially the first season, you notice that it's the same pattern. The same thing, it's the same cut and dry pattern. But the one thing that always made that show was their theme song. And when that Mighty Morphin Power Rangers theme song came out, you just kind of got that rush of energy, adrenaline. Like, yeah, you can conquer the world. And then everything was okay. And you stuck around for the next episode of Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Music plays a big part in our souls and our thoughts and our ideas. And putting it into a game could be the worst game in the world, but you have the best music in the world, all of a sudden that could change. Graphics are the same thing too. If it's visually appeasing, then all of a sudden you have something there. I don't know, maybe this song got Angry Birds fever. Maybe this song will become popular. I don't know. What do you think? And of course, that is your 5 tech things that you should know about. My name is Jeffrey Powers. Did you like the show? Did you not like the show? Well, wherever you're watching the show or listening to the show, please give me some stars. Let me know how I'm doing. Give me some comments, good or bad. I appreciate anything here. I'm going to be at the Midwest Gaming Convention this Saturday, so come check me out in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And of course, I'm also making plans to some of the other conventions around the world in the next few months, so watch for me there. Of course, you can email me at geekazine@gmail.com. 608-205-4378 is the phone number. Until next week, you guys have a safe one, and we'll see you on the 5 tech things that you should know about. Take care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the world, so come on, let's rhyme. What? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Or is it 5, 4, 3, 2?